Hey, welcome back to Perkins Garage. See, I got the truck in the shop here, doing CV axles and sway bar links. So, I already did the driver's side, got that one done first because that was the one that the boot was tore on and was actually leaking and needed to be replaced. Sway bar links for junk too, so figure while we're doing it, we'll do that. The videos that we've seen on the internet, my dad looked them up, say that you have to bust the upper ball joint apart to get it out, get the CV axle out. Well, if you're doing the CV axles, go ahead and do the freaking sway bar links anyway if you're in there, and then you don't have to bust the upper ball joint apart. We just figured that out on the, because we figured out once we got it out and everything on this side and it was hanging there, we had to take the sway bar and link out anyway. So this is a 2008 Chevy 2500 HD, four-wheel drive, obviously. So we learned on this one. So it was way easier. All we did was pop the sway bar link out on this. Didn't have to bust the ball joint apart, and we were able to slide the CV axle right out. And we'll pop the other one back in. Hopefully it goes in. It should. It was pretty straight in there, so. But I'll show you what I'm talking about here. All right. So as you can see, the CV axle. There's the new one. So what you do is they say to take this stuff off here. Man, I wish I had a better light. All right, I'll do it like this. Take all that stuff because you're going to pop that ball joint apart. That's what we did on this side, and this just hangs out of the way, and they say that you can just pull the CV axle out. Well, we realized that we had to get that sway bar link out in order to get it out anyway. So you're there, you got to take the shock mount off, which not doing that. So it was a hell of a time on this side. As you can see, we did not take the ball joint apart. Just took the sway bar end link out and unbolted it from there. Took the nut off here and it popped right out, came right out real easy. So the new one should go right in, and yeah. Just blinded myself. Anyway, so yeah, a little public service announcement for anybody with 2008 or 2007 and a half to 2013 Chevy 2500 HD four-wheel drive. So we're gonna get this new one put back in and put the sway bar link back in, and away we go. All right, hope this helps. All right, so after doing the CV axle on the truck, obviously it's a different day. The truck's actually gone. Everything went smooth getting it back in, so that's what I learned from that for that generation of truck. It might work on other ones too, but you don't have to bust the upper ball joint apart to get the CV axle out on GMT 900s, 2500s, 3500s. They're probably the same. Just to get the CV axle out, all you gotta do is take the sway bar out, sway bar end link out, and that was about it. Instead of busting the ball joint apart, so got it out, got it back in, everything ran smooth, and yeah. So all right, that's just a little public service announcement, and thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.